Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ms. Sheerin, and today we're diving into part 5 of our kitchen vocabulary series. In this video, we'll be exploring more essential terms that will help you navigate your way around the kitchen with ease. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's jump in. Introduction. In this video, we'll learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Utensil holder, a container for storing kitchen tools, utensils, or gadgets. Dish drying rack, a rack for air drying washed dishes, glasses, or utensils. Timer, a device used for measuring or indicating time, often used in cooking or baking. Lemon squeezer, a tool for extracting juice from lemons or other citrus fruits. Corkscrew, a tool for pulling corks from bottles. Ladle, a large spoon with a long handle used for serving soups or stews. Food processor, an electric appliance used to chop, blend, or puree food. Paper towels, absorbent paper sheets used for cleaning up spills or drying hands. Kettle. A container with a spout, used for boiling water. Aluminum foil, a thin pliable metal sheet used for wrapping or covering food. Plastic wrap, a thin transparent plastic film used for covering or wrapping food. Tupperware container, a plastic container with a lid, used for storing and preserving food. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope this video has expanded your kitchen vocabulary and confidence in the culinary world. Don't forget to practice using these terms in your own kitchen. And stay tuned for more helpful videos to come. Until next time, happy cooking!